The most important takeaway for me is really that the majority of the productivity boost that we expect from this new technology stems from people working together with it. So we expect that the majority of jobs in the economy, as we see it currently, will be assisted by this new technology. And that's also why it's so important to, when we develop it further and integrate it into organizations, that we put human agency at the center of adopting it.
The most unusual way our organization has applied AI has to come from a client perspective, I think, because my own business Implement is a pretty straightforward consulting business, and we're using it a lot to increase efficiency and daily work amongst our consultants. But I think some of the ways some of our clients are starting to use it, especially in agentic network, where different AI entities are working together to try to solve different things. We have an interesting case where a set of AIs one AI is identifying a problem, another AI is proposing a solution, and the third AI is providing feedback on that solution. And if that feedback AI allows the solution to pass, it goes out. And if the feedback AI deems the solution insufficient, it goes back to the problem AI, and it sort of repeats in the cycle. I think that's a really interesting solution to a problem that we found at a client that can be used in many cases and can inspire people.